Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to get free fast hours from Midjourney. Fast hours are great, and especially if they're free. So this is a real quick video. First thing you want to do is you want to go to the Midjourney page, which is midjourney.com. And you want to come over here to rank pairs. And you basically want to sit here, I don't know, for 10 minutes or so, ranking which photograph or image you think is the best. And it doesn't really take you that long. Just, kind of flip through here. You can look at the prompt if you want. That image. And so that's basically what you do. And once you're done doing this, you go to you should get a notification in your Discord, just like this, and it will say, hey, you've been awarded one free fast hour of GPU time for making it to the top 2,000 users of the gallery today. And you can do this every day. And that is it. If you learned anything new from this, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks so much.